What's up everyone, welcome back to another video. Let's make these delicious hot cross bun you'll absolutely love. Let's jump right in. So here I have my flour. For my spices, I have some ginger, cinnamon, allspice, and some salt. And I'm going to go ahead and add my yeast. I'm using instant yeast, but if you're using active dry yeast, you want to go ahead and proof your yeast to make sure it's good before adding it to the mix. So I give that a good mix and set aside. So I have some warm milk and I'm going to add my sugar, some vanilla, and I'm going to go ahead, give it a good mix to make sure the sugar is dissolved. Then I'm going to go ahead and add some melted butter. I'm going to mix that in and set aside. Now I'm going to go ahead and add my raisin. I like the combination of golden and regular raisins, so I add both. You could add one or the other if you like. Mix that well, and for extra pop of flavor, I'm going to add some orange zest. Of course, you could use some lemon zest if that's what you have, and I'm going to go ahead and mix that in as well. Now I'm going to go ahead and add my wet mixture to my dry, and I'm going to go ahead and use my spoon just to get it to come together for a bit. Then I'm going to go in with my hands and I'm going to knead until it's nice and smooth. This will take anywhere from about 8 to 10 minutes. If you have a stand mixer, you could add it to your stand mixer and knead for about 6 to 8 minutes. The goal here is to make sure that the dough is nice and soft and everything comes together nicely. I'll be doing this by hand, so this took me about 8 to 10 minutes to get it to the consistency that I'm looking for. Once that's done, I'm going to go ahead and allow this to double in size or proof. So in my bowl, I went in with some oil. I'm going to add my dough to the bowl, cover, and allow this to double in size. This is a heavily spiced dough, so it will take a longer time. It took me about 3 hours to double in size. After that's time, I'm going to go ahead, remove the air, and I'm going to go ahead and section these off into about 12 pieces. You could make these as big or as little as you like. Here I have my baking dish. I went ahead and greased that, and I'm going to go ahead and section my dough into 12 because I'll be making 12 here. And I'm just going to go ahead, form these into a ball, place them into my baking dish, and cover and allow this to double in size again. Remember I said before, this is a heavily spiced dough, so it will take a longer time than before. So this took me about an hour and a half to reach to the desired size and shape and proofing that I'm looking for. So I'm just here making these balls, and I'm going to place them in my dish and cover and set aside in a warm area. While my dough is proofing, I'm going to make the paste to make the cross on top. So here I have some flour and water. I will leave a full written measurement and recipe down below of the paste and the ingredients for the hot cross buns down below. So I'm just going to add this to my Ziploc bag. If you have a pastry bag, go ahead and use that. And I'm going to snip the edge off. And once my dough is nice and proofed, I'm going to go ahead and make some cross on top, hence the recipe hot cross buns. Now my dough is ready and my oven is being preheated to 350 degrees, and I'm going to place them in, and these are going to bake for about 30 minutes. And you want to check on them. 30 minutes was enough for these. So if you have a different temperature oven, you want to check on them and make sure that they are fully done before removing it from the oven. After 30 minutes, this is what it's looking like. It is smelling amazing, by the way. And here I have a mixture of honey and water. I'm going to brush on top for the glaze. Of course, you could use sugar and water, but I want it a little bit sticky. So I went in with some honey and water, and I brushed these on. Allow them to cool down just a little bit before digging in. I could have waited a little bit more, but trust me, these were calling my name. They smell good. They were so soft and delicious. Let me show you what it's looking like on the inside. The bun was, at this point it was still hot, But let me tell you, it was so good. My entire family enjoyed it. You could have this with some cheese. I went ahead and have this with some butter. And let me tell you, this was so good. That's it, my beautiful people. I thank you so very much for watching. Until then, I'll see you in my next one. Have a good day and enjoy.